What up, y'all? Welcome back into the next step of the video. As y'all may know, I'll show you guys my car, my scat pack at my friend's shop. I was getting it in a record bill, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this video to it too. Just why not? Because as you guys may know, I barely upload videos because I'm busy and stuff. But yeah, this time my phone is charged. I promise that. But yeah, let me show you guys how to change a seatbelt on a 2016 Chrysler 300. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna tell you guys the tools you guys will need first, and then let's get it. All right, first you guys will need a torque wrench. Make sure you guys get one of these big torque wrenches, and you guys will need a T50. This screw right here. You guys will need that. It's called a T50. And you guys will need also a T20, a smaller one. Yeah, you guys will need this too. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, you guys will need this too. Alrighty, guys. This is the first bolt you guys will need to do. Open. Make sure you guys go ahead and make sure it's straight before you open it, and make sure you guys are not torquing it. Make sure you guys are untying it, because one time I was torquing it on accident and I broke the bolt, and I had to pay 50 bucks in order to fix it when you get the bolt out. So what you guys want to do is go ahead and slowly. I'm gonna try to my best to record, but just go ahead and slowly untorque it. This thing's heavy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try my best, like I said, but my storage is also full, so I might not be able to record too much. So let me go ahead and untorque this, and I'll get back with you guys. Alrighty, guys, just like that. Now we're gonna chuck it off. I use a drill. Once you guys torque it, you guys can use a drill too, but make sure you're not doing a full power so it doesn't break. Now you guys can put this on the side. The next bolt I'll show you guys in a second. I'll just show you guys where all the bolts are, and I'm not gonna show you guys me recording how to do it, because like I said, my storage is full. So, and sorry about the background. My family's having fun in the garage right now. Alrighty, guys, there we go. I just fixed my focus, but as you guys can see, you guys will need a T20 torque wrench. Not a torque wrench, but a fucking screwdriver or whatever. But yeah, you guys will need this, and there's gonna be a bolt up here, and I'm gonna try my best to record it, because obviously I'm recording, and I'm trying to untie the screw. But yeah, you guys will need to go ahead and lift this thing up as much as you can. But let me go ahead and put the phone down right here. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, you guys will need, what you guys will need to do is go ahead and lift this thing up as much as you can. I'm gonna do my best. But yeah, don't worry about the headliner. Nothing will happen to it. There you go, just like that. Just go ahead and lift it up, and you guys can go ahead and untie it. See, I'm tying it on accident, so you go ahead and untie it, just like that. And now you guys can get the bolt out. And now let me show you guys the next step. This is what you guys will need to do. Go ahead and face the camera right here. All you guys will need to do is go ahead and pull it from the back, but make sure you guys have this the door cover, this right here, off. Make sure you just pull that out, just like that, so that way it comes out. But go ahead and pull the back and just pull it slowly. It should just clip. It just clips, so don't worry about it. Nothing will break. What you guys will need to do is go ahead and lift the headliner, like I said, until you get this black part out. It's like a black piece up here. There you go, just like that. There you go. It should not pop out. Don't worry, nothing will break. There you go. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy. You guys don't have to worry about anything breaking. Just like that, you guys can go ahead and pull this piece out from the other side. And you guys can go ahead and now take the seatbelt. What you guys will need to do is go ahead and take the seatbelt out through here now. So you guys can take this black piece out, this black cover off. Drag it away. There we go, just like that. You guys can go ahead and... Alright, actually we took this whole piece out, but don't worry about that. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and put this on the side now. You guys won't need this until we take out the bolt. So now, you guys have a bolt right here. You guys have a bolt right here. This is gonna be a 14 millimeter, and this one is gonna be the T50. As I mentioned, is this one right here. You guys will need this, but make sure you go ahead and use the torque wrench. But yeah, let me go ahead and untie this bolt right here. But you guys should go ahead and put this under it, so that way you guys don't damage that. And then you guys can go ahead and untie it slowly. Make sure you guys make it straight so it doesn't break, just like that. Should be simple as that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and
use a torque wrench until it's a little bit tight, and then I'll use a drill. Actually, I might not fit the drill might not fit in here. Actually, it will fit in here. So let me go ahead and do this. See if it works. Just like that, easy as that. That's it. You can go ahead and put your bolts somewhere right here. That way you don't lose it. But yeah, you can go ahead and take this part out. This is a little clip right here. You guys could just use a clip remover, but I'm gonna leave that for now, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the next tool you guys will need to get this bolt out and to get the airbag wire out too, as well as the clip. So I'll get back with you guys in a sec. All right, go ahead and get you guys yourself a clip remover. This is what you guys will need. That's one. The second one you'll need is this one for the wire, so you can take the airbag wire off, and you guys will need a 14mm socket, so you guys can remove this. But you guys, the drill won't work on this because this thing is tied it's pretty tight over here. The bolt is pretty tight, so you won't be able to take it out with the drill. So you might have to use a torque wrench first, and then you guys could use a drill. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys how to remove the clip. Like I said, you guys will need this and this for now. So what you guys will need to do is go ahead and grab it from the top. Just pull it out until it gets out. Depending on the clip remover you have, so if you have a better one than mine, then you might be able to get it out easily. So for now, I'm just gonna use this. Damn, that thing is pretty stuck in there. There we go. Just like that. You can go ahead and put that on the side. Now you can throw that away now for now. All right, you guys will need this. Go ahead and put this under here. Make sure you guys do it slowly so you don't break this. This is really important. Just go ahead and lift it up. That's all. That's all you need to do. Now you don't need that now. And you guys can just go ahead and pull the airbag wire off, just like that. You can put this on the side, so you don't damage it. Just like that, and you guys can go ahead and lift this up, and it's gonna come out just like that. And now we got the 14mm left, and as well as this little cover right here, which is the clip. So you guys will need to do this. There's actually like a small little clip on behind of it, like, as you guys can see that. Yeah. So what you guys will need to do is go ahead and just push it. I'm trying my best to record, but yeah, hold on. So it's like a little clip piece. Hold on, let me show you guys first. But it's like a little piece right there in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, that little piece in the back comes, whatever. But you guys know what I'm talking about. So that little clip right there, you guys will need to unclip that, and there's one on the other side. That thing off, so easy to take it off. So now, like I said, you guys don't need a 14mm. Let me go ahead and take this off. I'm probably gonna have to use a drill. So if the drill works, I'm gonna go ahead and use a drill. How do you guys see if we'll take this off? I'll need a, a second. Alright guys, I went ahead and I actually don't use a drill on that because you might actually end up breaking this the bolt. So I recommend using a torque wrench. So get your 15mm and your torque wrench and just go ahead and untie it. There you go. And once you untie it, you guys could go ahead and use a drill if you need to. But I'm gonna go ahead and use a torque wrench just because my neighbors are sleeping. It come out pretty simple. There you go. There you go. You guys can go ahead and take the socket, put it somewhere safe so you don't lose that. And that's it. And that's how you remove a seatbelt. on a 2016 Chrysler 300. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys go ahead and give a thumbs up on the video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video once I have a little more updates on my Scat Pack. Then also when I'm gonna try to do some POVs if I register it. As always, have a good one, boys. Peace out.
Hey, skinny nigga, but my pockets out of shape. ATL nigga, all the cars, California plates.